Welcome students. I am Ms. Frida Pereira, Assistant Professor, Kamal College of Arts, Science and Commerce for Women, Nuve Goa. The course title is Floriculture. Title of the unit, Role of Plant Growth Regulators and Fertilizers. Module name, Cytokinins and ABA. The outline of this module is Introduction, Role of cytokinins in floriculture, role of ABA, that is abscisic acid in floriculture. Learning outcomes. The student recalls the concept of plant growth regulators, explains the role of cytokinins in floriculture, explains the role of abscisic acid in floriculture. Introduction. There are two modes of action of plant hormones: to promote plant development and to retard or inhibit growth and development. The plant growth regulator cytokinins or cytokinin is a growth promoter, while abscisic acid is known as growth inhibitor. Apart from this, there are certain compounds which suppress or retard growth. They are CCC or cycocel, abscisic acid, SADH and B9. Now let us see the role of cytokinins in floriculture. Cytokinins always interact with auxins and promote cell division. When applied to potted roses and chrysanthemums, the axillary buds are stimulated to grow by overcoming the dormancy in buds or natural bud inhibitors. The cytokinins have the ability to delay senescence or aging, particularly in leaf parts of plants. It also delays the breakdown of chloroplast and other subcellular structures. The synthetic cytokinin N6-benzyl adenine is more effective than kinetin as senescence inhibitor. According to Yadav et al., the application of kinetin at 200 ppm produced maximum stem diameter, fresh weight of flower, early seed ripening and seed yield in marigold as compared to other concentrations. Now let us see the role of abscisic acid in floriculture. Growth inhibiting abscisic acid was first discovered as a compound which promoted dormancy in seeds and buds and inhibition of growth and seed germination. The hormone induces dormancy of buds, therefore it is also known as dormin. Abscisic acid is a naturally occurring growth inhibitor in plants. Apart from this, there are some synthetic compounds which are of suppressive type and are widely used in floriculture to stop cut flowers from developing further. These are SADH, cycocel. These are synthetic plant inhibitors which are commercially used as foliar sprays for controlling the height of poinsettias, to limit the buds in chrysanthemums as well as China asters. Spraying with B9 to retard internode elongation is effective in controlling the height of chrysanthemums, hydrangeas, etc. These growth retarders act by blocking gibberellin synthesis, and the vigorous growth of a plant is changed into ornamental rosette growth. Coming to the summary of this module. In this module, we have studied about the plant growth regulators, the role of cytokinins in floriculture, the role of abscisic acid in floriculture, and the synthetic compounds that retard growth in plants. These are the references. Thank you.